In this video, I'm going to show you how to get your Facebook Marketplace back. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, a few quick reasons why Marketplace can disappear or you can't find it anymore. So your own account on Marketplace access is restricted or suspended. So this can be policy or trust issues. You're not old enough, or you're in a country region where Marketplace isn't available, or you're using a secondary profile, not your main profile. And for example, for this, I'm currently on my main profile, but if I go to Tutorial Wiz on as my secondary profile, you'll be able to see I've got no Marketplace tab. So let me switch over. So I'm inside of Tutorial Wiz, and if I click on the top here or hover over, I've got no Marketplace option. That's because I'm on a secondary account and not my main profile. So unfortunately, they don't allow Marketplace to be on a secondary profile. So basically, you need to use your main profile to access Facebook Marketplace. But if you are using your main profile and you still don't have access, we might need to go ahead and turn off any VPNs. So if you've got VPNs running, just go ahead and disable them. Now, if it's still not working, we might need to go ahead and speak to Facebook support. So we need to access Facebook help. So go ahead and open up Facebook, click onto your profile, scroll down and click on help and support. And then from here, click onto report a problem and then click on OK. So scroll down and click on continue to report a problem. And then go ahead and click on include. And select the product, go ahead and click onto Marketplace. And then we want to go ahead and describe the issue. So basically you want to write in something that says, hello, my Marketplace access was removed and I'm not sure why. I believe my account complies with Marketplace policies. My name is, put in your full name. The affected account email is this one, and I would like you to review my account, explain to me the reason or reinstate access. Thank you. So we can go ahead and record screen if you want, or if you can upload from your phone if you've got any images proving what's happening, and then you simply go ahead and click send, and then give Facebook support team 24 to 48 hours to get back to you and help you to reinstate your Marketplace.